Hey everybody, Michelle with Michelle's Frugal Living here, and thanks for watching my videos. And it is Sunday, May the 31st of 2015. I did go to Rite Aid today. Now I did 3 different transactions, so don't get confused about that. That one over there, that one there, and then these 2 toothpaste by themselves. Today did start new June monthly deals, so be sure and look for those. I did take a picture of the end cap displays that I saw. I posted them on my Instagram. It's Michelle's Frugal Living, just like my YouTube name. And so you can go check those out. I also took some pictures of some clearance items I saw and posted them. I saw quite a bit of new clearance stuff over in the baby department, so you might check that out. Anyhow, so let's talk about what I got here. These Crest toothpaste, a lot of the Crest toothpaste and the toothbrushes are on sale for $3, and we got dollar manufacturer coupons in the Procter & Gamble today. So you pay $2, you get 200 points back. Okay? Now, these particular ones right here were cheaper at my store with gold discount. Here it is right here. It was regularly $3.49, so gold discount made it $2.79. So I paid $1.79 and I got 200 points back. So that worked out really great. Limit 2 on those. All right. So, this transaction right here, I had a 5 off of 50 coupon. And I had a little bit of trouble with this transaction. And let me tell you what happened. So, she scanned my card, and the Plenty card. Then she scanned all this stuff, and everything worked out fine. All my coupons scanned, and except for the 5 off of 50 coupon. She had to manually put it in because when she scanned it, it said expired, even though I had just got it last week and it clearly wasn't expired. So she typed in the first 11 digits of the barcode number, which is how they can override it, and it recognized it as a 5 off of 50 coupon, and then it took it right there. So that was okay. Then all my coupons got scanned and everything was fine, and my total was where I thought it should be. So I had gotten my gold discount, but on the little screen, there wasn't a button to say use Plenty points. And I knew I had points. There wasn't any reason I shouldn't have been able to pay with this. So we looked, yeah, my card worked because I got all the gold discount and everything on everything. So what I was thinking is that I would just have her delete the card off, and we'll try it again. If the points don't come up, then I'll just use another card. So we scanned the card again, and then it pops up on her screen, and she could say yes, void the card off. And when she did that, the price went up because you don't get the sale price and gold discount. And then I just had her scan the card again, and then the little button showed up on the screen so I could pay with the points. So I don't know if it was, I haven't ever had this happen to me before. I've heard a lot of people say it happened to them, where they couldn't use their points to pay, but I had never heard anybody say they tried to void the card off and void it back on, or put it back on like I did. But that worked for me today, and I don't know if it had to do with that coupon being manually entered. That was the only thing that varied in this transaction than any other transaction I did, and this is the only one that I had problems using, with the points not having that button there. So anyways, it all worked out. I paid with points and everything else. So yeah, you might try that if you have that problem. Okay, so I got so I was going for $50 here, and it was just a little bit over $50 actually. Got to toothpaste. I picked up one more Tugaboo. Now at this store, it actually had this month a 50% off sign on it. So it was on sale for clearance for $3.49. I had that $5 off coupon. Now, when I went over to the other store and got this stuff at a different store, those were actually on 75% off clearance over at the other store. But I didn't have any more coupons. So you might check in your store what the price is. But that did ring up for $3.49 at the first store I went to. And clearance can vary from store to store. So anyhow, I got that just as a help filler and a little bit of overage. The CoverGirl nail polish, these are the 99-cent ones. All the colors are included in that size. No, they're on clearance for 94 cents right here. And dollar off coupon in the P&G. Now, in the ad, it does say clearance is not included in the weekly deal. Spend 10 and get 100 points, but there it is. It tracked 93 cents for that deal right there. And I bought 2 over here in the other store. That was all that they had. And that did track on that transaction as well. Okay, so that was that. The Aleve, the deal is spend 20 and get 500 points. You can do it 2 times. So actually, if you wanted to buy 10 of these, it would be a slightly better deal. Because I paid gold discount for this one, and if you buy them in pairs, they're buy one, get one half off. Use the $3 coupon, and so I paid $5.85 in points, and I got 500 points back. So 85 cents for 5 of them. I don't know how that compared to last week's sale, but it's I don't know, it's pretty close to the same price, isn't it? So like I said, you could buy 10 of them, and you would just double the deal because you can do it 2 times. Okay, let's talk about the Venus. So in the ad, it says earn 700 points when you buy any razor and a cartridge. Okay, and it's limit 2. So that implies that you get 700 points when you buy 2 of them. That's what I was assuming happened until I looked at my receipt. And I used, there were the coupons for the women's razors, $6 off, and then the men's version right there. I got the ladies just because they were cheaper than the men's. The refill pack was. It says buy any Venus blade refill pack and get $6 off of the Venus razor. So, theoretically, you could use another coupon on this because this $6 is actually applying to the razor. But I didn't have another coupon to use on this. But one of them will beat because I'm sure this coupon needs both of these and attaches to both of them. Okay? But what happened is I got 700 points and 700 points. And let me show you the receipt here. Let me show you these. Actually, let's see. This refill pack was the cheapest one they had. $14.79. Gold discount made it $11.83. And let's see, where's the razor at? It's $7.99. Here it is above it. Okay, there's the razor at it was $9.99 regular, $7.99 gold discount. There's the $6 coupon on that. Here's how dollar-wise it's spelled out. So those added up to $19.82 minus $6, so $13.82 out of pocket, and I got back 700 points twice right there. Okay, and it does say my limit is reached down here. Okay, so whatever. So it actually was a slight money maker, but you know, if you got a little bit more expensive ones, I mean, it would still be a really great deal. I was going ahead and doing it. I had that 5 off of 50. So, anyways, it worked out. I went over to another store and to see what they might have had on clearance over there, and this is all I ended up getting, but. I did it again right here. And this one I picked up, it had a 50-cent freshness pilly on it. So that was a 50-cent moneymaker on that particular toothpaste that I had right there. So, yeah, go get some Venus. So that ended that deal for me on this card and on that card right there. All right. I'll talk to you guys later.